How can a Salt Lake City SEO agency help your business? By enlisting the help of a Salt Lake City SEO agency, you can benefit from a variety of services aimed at increasing your online visibility, driving targeted traffic, and ultimately improving your search engine rankings. These experts can implement effective SEO strategies tailored to your specific business needs, incorporating elements of content marketing, social media marketing, and web development to amplify results. Working with a digital marketing agency can further help your company. Increasing online visibility. One of the primary goals of SEO services is to enhance your online visibility, making it easier for potential customers to find your website when searching for relevant products or services. Collaborating with an SEO company in Salt Lake can grow your Utah business by leveraging the expertise of the team at SEO. Driving targeted traffic. With the right SEO approach, you can attract high-quality, targeted traffic to your website, increasing the likelihood of converting visitors into loyal customers through effective online marketing practices. Improving search engine rankings. SEO involves optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results, allowing your business to stand out from competitors and attract organic search traffic through effective search engine optimization techniques. Why invest in digital marketing services in Utah? For businesses in Utah, investing in digital marketing services is essential for reaching local customers, enhancing online presence, and implementing successful SEO campaigns to achieve superior SEO results. Digital marketing companies provide Utah SEO services that effectively grow your business, emphasizing that SEO is an important aspect of your digital strategy. With the help of a specialized SEO agency, you can maximize growth opportunities and connect with your target audience more effectively using tailored search engine optimization tactics. Their services include free SEO consultations. By partnering with a digital marketing company, you can further enhance these efforts through comprehensive web development and digital marketing industry expertise. Reaching local customers. Local SEO expertise is crucial for businesses looking to target customers in their specific geographic area, helping them rank higher in local search results and attract relevant traffic through localized search engine optimization efforts. Enhancing online presence. By investing in digital marketing services, you can enhance your online presence, making it easier for customers to find your business online and engage with your products or services through strategic content marketing and search engine optimization. Implementing successful SEO campaigns. A successful SEO campaign requires a customized approach tailored to your business needs, including keyword research, content optimization, content marketing, and effective link building strategies. Consulting with Salt Lake City SEO experts can help your Utah business succeed. What to look for in Salt Lake City SEO services. When choosing Salt Lake City SEO services, it's important to look for expertise in local SEO, customized SEO strategies, and a comprehensive SEO audit to identify areas for improvement, ensuring the best SEO results. Salt Lake City SEO experts can help your Utah business grow more effectively. These factors can make a significant difference in the effectiveness of your digital marketing efforts, including web design and SEO marketing. Stay ahead by keeping up with current SEO trends. A well-devised marketing plan from a digital marketing agency can significantly help your company. Local SEO expertise. Local SEO experts understand the unique challenges and opportunities of the Salt Lake City market, allowing them to tailor their strategies to help you reach your target audience more effectively and partner with a competent Salt Lake City SEO company. Customized SEO strategies. Effective SEO strategies should be customized to suit your specific business goals and target audience, ensuring maximum impact and sustainable growth over time. Partner with a marketing team experienced in the digital marketing industry. Utah SEO services can help your company achieve these objectives, reinforcing that SEO is a process critical for success. Comprehensive SEO audit. A thorough SEO audit can uncover technical SEO issues, keyword opportunities, and areas for improvement, providing a roadmap for optimizing your website and enhancing your online presence through effective search engine optimization.